Too many apps, too many courses, and way too little time to actually do the work. Does that sound familiar? Well, you're not alone, and that's exactly why I created the Lead Lab Alliance. I've been in real estate and marketing for long enough to see the same cycle repeat itself. We sign up for the next game-changing subscription, we buy course after course, and I never finish them. I don't know about you, but we add another shiny tool to the stack. And then we're stuck, overwhelmed and out of pocket, and still not posting consistently or generating the results that we want. It's not that you don't care, it's not that you're not capable, it's that no one's giving you the space to actually learn, implement, and get feedback, all without draining your bank account. Well, that's where the Lead Lab comes in. This isn't another expensive program or a watch and hope course. It's a collaborative community where we train together hands-on. We share tools, templates, and strategies that actually work. We hold each other accountable to create content that grow our leads. And here's the kicker. The core community is completely free because I believe that the best results come when we stop hiding knowledge behind paywalls and start building success together. So here's how it works. When you join, here's what you'll see. Weekly training sessions where we go step by step on platforms, ads, and content creation. A community space where you can ask questions and get quick answers. Weekly challenges to keep you consistent. And a participation score because the more you show up, the more you can unlock. As you participate, you'll unlock some serious game changers. One of the biggest, the B-roll video library. A shared collection of hundreds of clips that we've all contributed to. Need footage for a home tour, a bustling coffee shop, a drone shot of a neighborhood? It's in there. And because it's all community built, we all get to use it in our content without worrying about copyright issues. Then there's the video vault, loaded with ready-to-use scripts, templates, and full training replays. You'll get it in two ways. One, you can earn it through your participation score, or you can unlock it instantly for just $6 US a month. And we've got bonus communities too, like the Mexico Collective, where we share opportunities, training, and resources for selling real estate in Mexico. If you're ready to stop collecting tools and start collecting results, then welcome. Introduce yourself in the group, join the first challenge, and start unlocking the resources that will make your content creation faster and easier and a whole lot more fun. I'm Andrew Somerville, and this is the Lead Lab Alliance. Let's create something amazing together.